Meditation. Meditation refers to a set of techniques to enhance attention, emotional awareness, kindness, compassion, sympathetic joy, and mental calmness even in difficult situations. Meditation lets you become more aware and more purposeful about your actions. It teaches you how to respond rather than react to situations in your life. Meditation sounds simple, but it takes discipline to remain still in body and mind. My name is Vikram Singh Basati. In this video, I am going to explain meditation more clearly in simple words. I hope the result will meet your expectations. To benefit yourself fully, watch this video to the end. If you like my video, press like button. It motivates me a lot. Subscribe to my channel and keep yourself in touch with me so that you get notification of subsequent videos in time without any delay. In this channel, I shed light on the nuances of meditation and prayer. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing or clearing your mind using a combination of mental and physical techniques. But question is how mind is focused or cleared. Every meditation coach explains it in a unique way that suits the way of his training and practice. But the learner reaches nowhere because there is something lacking in the practice. Something that meditation coach does not tell you willingly or unwillingly or unable to tell you as he does not want to do so or he himself does not know. In ancient times, meditation practitioners used to try their disciples for many years before disclosing the secrets of meditation to them. Nowadays, in the material world, reasons are different. Either money matters more because meditation has become a trading practice for some, or maybe any other hidden selfish reason. I am going to unfold the secret of the concept of meditation now. In the initial stage, meditation is an exercise of the mind. We practice the exercise of mind in the same way as the practice of body, but in strict discipline. Meditation is learned and practiced with strict system, in which asana, that is pose, tratak, that is focus, pratyahar, that is withdrawal of the mind from sense objects, and pranayam, that is the expansion of life force, are started sequentially and performed at the same time. First of all, we enter into an asana for meditation. 1. Asana, that is pose. It is the sitting position in which the body is kept relaxed and the spine is kept straight. It is usually done in thunderbolt pose, easy pose, lotus pose, or any other comfortable position. If the mind is calm and thoughtless, the spine will automatically remain straight, otherwise you might be sitting with your back bent. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali define asana as a position that is steady and comfortable. Patanjali mentions the ability to sit for extended periods as one of the 8 limbs of his system. Next, we perform Tratak. 2. Tratak, that is focus. It is the act of focusing the gaze on a single point. Our eyes are fickle. Due to their constant movement, messages are sent to our brain and we see that thing. If there is no movement in them, then we will not see anything. If the point on which the eyes are fixed becomes out of sight, then it is a sign of success of Tratak. Keep the body absolutely still throughout the practice. Open the eyes and gaze steadily at the point. Try not to blink or move the eyeballs in any way. Do not strain, as this will cause tension and the eyes will flicker. The aim of the practice is not to make tears roll down the face, but simply to practice as long as one can without this happening. The Tratak activity strengthens eye muscles and improves vision and memory. It also strengthens the ability to concentrate. Next component of meditation is Pratyahar, which is usually ignored by both teacher and learner. That is why the practitioner reaches nowhere. As a result, he wastes his time and curses either himself or meditation. 3. Pratyahar, that is withdrawal of the mind from sense objects. In it, the senses are diverted from the external distractions and turned inwards. It is believed that with every breath a thought is born. When the senses are under control, unnecessary thoughts can be prevented from arising. Pratyahar involves disengaging your mind from external disturbances and controlling your reaction to them. During Pratyahar, your five sense organs still detect external stimulation, but you don't allow them to disrupt your state of mind. Pratyahar is an attempt to get hold of the mind and focus it on the desired object. The first step is to let the mind drift, watch it, see what it thinks, be only the witness. This can be quite challenging. We are so used to reacting to the continuous bombardment of stimuli and to pushing our energy outwards that it can be difficult when we sit in meditation to go in. Just after starting the practice of Pratyahar, we try to control our breaths with the practice of Pranayam. For Pranayam, that is the expansion of life force. Pranayam is the practice and science of working with the breath and raising the electrical current or energy. According to yoga, the breath connects the body, the mind, and the spirit. Any change of breathing patterns reflects in changes at any or all these levels. Breathe only through the nose to filter air and maintain even temperature in the body. While doing pranayam, there should be no tension in the body, and everything should be kept calm. It is a systematic breathing exercise. In it, first the air is completely expelled from the lungs and then deep breath is drawn in. This action is repeated over and over again. Air contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and the rest 1% other gases and some dust particles. All these go into the lungs in the form of air. Oxygen is retained and absorbed in the blood. Oxygen purifies blood while carbon dioxide is removed as impurities along with the rest of the gases. Another function of oxygen is to convert food into energy. In this way, in pranayam, we get more and more oxygen, owing to which all our organs get purified blood and work smoothly. Apart from this, we get a lot of energy. To improve your meditation skills, read and recommend Basati's meditation ebooks. These ebooks cover almost all aspects of meditation and prayer comprehensively. In these ebooks, the secrets of meditation and prayer are revealed through exposure to both theoretical and practical aspects. Rest assured that you will get your money's worth many times over by equipping yourself with the necessary knowledge from these ebooks. When you have these ebooks, you don't have to wander in search of knowledge. So try these precious ebooks at the first opportunity. Hurry up! Avail 40% discount. Find link in description. When we practice Asana, Tratak, Pranayam, and Pratyahar simultaneously, it is known as meditation. It sounds simple in theory, but it is very complex and time-consuming in practice depending on the mental condition and environment of the practitioner. If you're intentionally paying attention to what's happening in your mind and body, you're meditating. Meditation is a personal practice that involves techniques to focus and redirect thoughts and increase awareness of oneself and one's surroundings. This ancient tradition, with roots in various religious and spiritual contexts, has evolved into a secular tool for enhancing mental and physical well-being. All meditation techniques, from ancient times to the present, begin with this one fundamental rule. Whatever you're doing at this moment must be exactly what you're doing at this moment and nothing else. No distractions. At an advanced stage, meditation is an addition of soul to Supreme Soul, that is God. The practitioner automatically enters into samadhi, that is the height of divine consciousness, while performing meditation in this stage. You do not go into samadhi. Samadhi emerges in you. You prepare the ground for samadhi to emerge by training and taming your mind. You start with meditation and aim for the state of intense concentration or absorption, which is known as samadhi. When you end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and bring your awareness back to your body. You can end with offering a prayer that all your daily activities will be filled with peace, and visualizing each activity being successful. Feel yourself present in your body. I hope this video comes to your expectations and it adds to your knowledge and practice. Rest assured, you will always be gaining from my videos. Like my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do it now. Now like and subscribe Meditation and Prayer. Thanks for watching this video.